Hey guys, how to order from DHgate. To order, first create an account on DHgate.com and browse for the desired product using the search bar and select a product. Okay, select a product. Let's say I'm going to the influencers pick, right? I'm gonna choose this viral bag. Alright, now after evaluating and choosing the quantity, the color, size as needed, right? What we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit buy now, right? Add it to your cart, or in my case, just proceed to buy it now. After reviewing your order, you'll be taken to the checkout page to enter your shipping address and select a payment method such as PayPal, credit or debit card, depending on your region, to complete the purchase. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.